Hi, this is Lou from Enormous Mobile Specialties in Erie, Pennsylvania. We installed a Secure 360 camera on this Jeep Wrangler, and as far as we know, this is the only automotive security camera that actually records in 360 degrees. So whether you're in the car driving or the vehicle is unattended, sitting all by itself in a parking lot, this will take video and you can play it back to see what the heck happened. You can also use it as evidence as well, if need be. It's pretty cool. There's an app you put on your phone. You'll have access to video data. This uploads videos to the cloud. You can choose from multiple viewing modes, and you can really see what's going on. In fact, you'll be able to see the interior of the vehicle and the exterior of the vehicle generally at the same time in a split screen. Pretty neat. Now, there's two models available. The Secure 360 is available with 4G connectivity and without 4G connectivity. The Secure 360 connects to your phone only when it's near the camera if you don't have the 4G. And with the 4G, this camera connects to your phone from any location in the world. That's helpful when your vehicle is unattended, you're far away from it. You can get notifications on your phone as to what's going on. So for more information, give us a ring. Thanks for watching.